while it is the height of the monument that brings people from across the world. When you walk across Ekta Nagar, you realize it's not one site, it's a collection of moments. You're looking for a quiet place by the water. There is some spot waiting for you right here. It's the first Indian city to totally move towards electric vehicles. Everything here is so thoughtfully designed, so you can have a smooth, seamless, and stress-free visit. Ekta Nagar is more than a destination on a map. It's a living example of a dream that came true. Experience the warmth of Ekta Nagar, where India truly comes together. While it is the height of the monument that brings people from across the world, but it is the surroundings and the experiences that make people stay at Ekta Nagar. From the serene and calm to the mighty Narmada River or the diverse attractions, the travelers feel at home here due to the active involvement of local communities, truly adding a local touch to the experience.
At the heart of Ekta Nagar stands the legacy of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Rising to a height of 182 meters, the Statue of Unity is the tallest statue in the world and a true marvel of modern engineering. Built with precision and vision, it symbolizes India's strength, unity, and determination. From the viewing gallery, visitors witness breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding landscapes, where the river, mountains, and sky come together in perfect harmony. But beyond its scale and structure, the statue evokes a deeper emotion, a sense of pride, and a reminder that unity is the foundation of a strong nation. This vision was never just about building a monument. It was about transforming an entire region, creating opportunities, empowering communities, and building a destination where nature and development coexist beautifully.
Here is a beautiful, pleasant, with a full of greenery. We liked all the experiences, but right here, though we have spent 5 days of the hectic schedule, just coming here, we are feeling very good and very pleasured. So at present, though, we are in love with Gujarat and also Ekta Nagar. It is so beautiful.
When you walk across Ekta Nagar, you realize it's not one site, it's a collection of moments. Whether you're here with your friends, family, or looking for an adventure, or you're looking for a quiet place by the water, there is some spot waiting for you right here.
The attractions here are designed to be enjoyed at your own pace. You can start your morning in the Valley of Flowers, where the air is fresh and the colors are everywhere. For a bit of quiet, there's the Cactus Garden or Arogyavan, where you can learn about traditional wellness and herbs that have been used for centuries. If you have kids with you, the Children's Nutrition Park is a favorite. They get to hop on the Nutri train and learn about healthy eating in a way that feels like a game.
ચિલ્ડ્રન ન્યુટ્રિશન પાર્ક જે બનાવ્યું છે એ સ્પેશિયલી બાળકો માટે છે અને મોટાને પણ બાળકોની ફિલિંગ આવે જે આનંદ આવે એ સાથે સાથે જરૂરી છે. અમે સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં જે ટોય ટ્રેનમાં બેઠા તમને એક આમ મૂવી સીન જેવું લાગશે, એક નાનો સ્ટુડિયો બનાવ્યો છે એવું લાગશે. હરેક જગા પર એક ઓડિયો વિડીયો કરીને એક રેકોર્ડિંગ કરીને બતાવ્યું છે જેથી કરીને છોકરાઓને એક મેસેજ જાય કે એ લોકો હેલ્ધી ફૂડ ખાય, દૂધ કેમ પીવાય અને એ બધા વસ્તુથી એમને એક ઇન્ટરેક્શન થયું છે અને એનાથી આઈ ગેસ એમને એક સારો મેસેજ જશે. તમે સ્ટેચ્યુ ઓફ યુનિટી આવ્યા છો તો ચિલ્ડ્રન ન્યુટ્રિશન પાર્ક ડેફિનેટલી આવવું જ જોઈએ.
You can even step back in time on the Dino Trail to see the giants that once lived right here in the Narmada Valley. You can enjoy the thrill of river rafting, with the rapids adding to the excitement, or take a slow, peaceful cruise ride along the Narmada. Across Ekta Nagar, people of all ages enjoy cycling along dedicated tracks.
हमने कपल में साइकिल सवारी की है और यहाँ पर साइकिल सवारी करके बहुत अच्छा लगा और यहाँ का नज़ारा भी बहुत अच्छा है। जो मैं जब भी यहाँ आऊँगी और बार बार मैं साइकिलिंग करूँगी क्योंकि यहाँ का व्यू जो है बहुत अच्छा है। साइकिल चलाने के लिए अलग ही रूट है और इस रूट में हम साइकिल चलाते हैं, वहाँ पर पोल्यूशन भी नहीं होता, साइकिल भी हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छी है और इसके घूमने भी बहुत मज़ा आता है।
As the day ends, everyone gathers at the Narmada Ghat. The sound of the bells and the light of the lamps during the Narmada Maha Aarti create a moment of peace that stays with you long after you leave.
What sets Ekta Nagar apart is its focus on clean and sustainable mobility. It's the first Indian city to totally move towards electric vehicles. We don't just talk about protecting nature, we live it every day.
This project is powered by the people who live here. Thousands of local men and women have found a new purpose in Ekta Nagar. You'll see it in the smile of a guide or when you sit down for a meal at the tribal cafe. Visit the handicraft stores to discover and buy exquisite handcrafted pieces, created with skill and tradition by local artisans. And perhaps the most inspiring sight is the pink autos. These electric rickshaws are driven by local women, giving them a sense of independence and pride. They help visitors navigate the place.
The place is very nice, the cleanliness is very good, and the transportation service is also very good. And also all the staff members are very helpful. Whenever we are stuck somewhere, we ask any of the members and we get prompt reply from them. So you must visit this place.
At Ekta Nagar, the Statue of Unity stands not only as a symbol of national pride, but also as a living example of how development can uplift communities.
We visit all over India, many places together. Now this is a really amazing place, extraordinary place created by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. I request all the Indian citizens, not only Gujaratis, all Indian citizens to visit this place, Statue of Unity. It is amazing, excellent and heavenly.
We believe the best journeys in life are effortless, so you can immerse yourself in the experience. That's why everything here is so thoughtfully designed, so you can have a smooth, seamless and stress-free visit.
Reaching Ekta Nagar is convenient with a dedicated railway station and well-connected road access. Free electric buses and local transport make it easy to get around Ekta Nagar and explore its various attractions.
Hello, I'm Joey. I come from France and I love my first travel in India. So I like also the travel in boat and I'm enjoying my journey. I like the Statue of Unity. It's the tallest statue in the world. So it looks impressive and I enjoy my journey also.
It's organized, it's clean, and it lets you focus on what really matters, making memories with your loved ones.
Ekta Nagar is more than a destination on a map. It's a living example of a dream that came true. It's a celebration of the spirit of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel by creating a space where everyone is welcome. It's a place where grand meets the simple, where nature meets the future. So come and experience it. Take a walk in the garden or feel the breeze by the river. Experience the warmth of Ekta Nagar, where India truly comes together.